Hey guys, how's it going? How to see who half swipe your chat on Snapchat. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just open up the Snapchat, click on your Bitmoji at the top left, and you're gonna be able to see the Snapchat Plus, right? In the Snapchat Plus, you're gonna be able to see multiple features, including the half swipe on your chats. In the past, you could have swipe left on the free version, and you could have saw the chat without needing to read it like in the chat, so that person, the other party, knows that you read and didn't respond to that message, right? But in the Snapchat Plus, you're gonna be able to see without needing to notify the other party that in the peek and peek, see when a friend half swipes into a chat, and you're gonna be able to see who and who actually have swiped your chat onto your Instagram. So basically, onto your Snapchat. Sorry. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead right to the chat. Right. It used to be, you could have just hold and you could have just saw the message, but now they removed that version and they added it to the Snapchat Plus. So if you wanted to see it, or if you wanted to know who half swiped your chat, you're gonna be able to know who did it. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.